Let's capture summer in a resin earring. The color palette is monochromatic, using white, yellow and darkish yellow mica pigment. This will be my mold. The shapes are simple, clean lines and non-distracting. Fresh resin works best for these small size projects because it allows for maximum movement of the pigments in this small space before it cures. I really enjoy mixing resin, watching it change from streaky to wispy and then it just becomes clear. This will degas while I prep my pigments. I usually mix my pigments dirty because I feel that it looks much more dramatic than an even mix. I will layer the colors from lighter to darker from the top to bottom direction. A quick top up. Lately, I've become more conservative in mixing my resin with pigment so that I don't have to deal with extra resin. I just mix more pigment when I need it. Since the mix is not even, a little difference in color density only adds to the visual drama. A quick toothpick run along the edges to dislodge any bubbles. The resin has cured. The colors have done so well. There is a subtle texture and the gradient is just right. Let's pop these out. There's a little climbing along the edges. That will be sanded down later before I dome this surface. For resin pigments, I usually prefer the surface to be on the front where the suspended pigments have more play. So this flat surface will become the back of the earring pendants and the dome surface will become the front. I can't find the other piece. I lost it after sanding. The doming has taken well. The back is flat for all the pieces and has a more muted surface gloss compared to the domed, clear, glossy front face. Now it is time to assemble these resin pendants into earrings using jump rings and earring hoops. I will use golden color accessories to finish this design because it is better suited with the warm tones of this pendant earring. For the other two earrings, I have used accessories in a silver finish because it works better with the white next to it. My earrings are finished and they are warm and sunny, just like summer. Happy crafting and have a wonderful day.